How to enable autoplay video on Facebook. So as you can see right here, this video right here is actually doesn't autoplay, which usually it autoplays with. So what you can do in order to enable the autoplay on your Facebook is you can head over here to your menu, click right here on your gear icon, and then under your settings, click on this search bar and search in here for media option. So let's search in here for media, and you can see here the media option right around there. And then you can see the video quality, and then under that, you can see the autoplay right around here. So what we can do in that case is to make sure to autoplay on mobile data as well as Wi-Fi. And when changes has been saved, we can head over right here again to your feed, and you can just refresh your feed. And whenever a video goes around on your feed, you should be able to autoplay it like around here on the reels. So that's how you enable autoplay on Facebook. Hope we help.